Now we're gonna see about Academy LMS basic. Okay, so first of all, we need to go here Academy LMS and we need to click on this dashboard button. And in this dashboard, you can see all of the details, like how many courses we have, how many students is enrolled here, what is mainly the question and answers, questions waiting for answer, all of this data you will get to see. But if you scroll down, then you get to see some more features that is totally for pro plan. Okay, let's go to the next option is courses. From there, you can add new courses. Okay, let me show you that how we can add a new course in there. Let's simply click on this add new this button. But right now I'm going to tell you the basic, but in later I will show you a real example that how we can add a course in there. Totally real example. I'm gonna show you like all of the information. Okay, so here is the like free and paid. Also, if you like to make it public, then you need it the pro version. And these you can say title, and this is description, this is course images, and this is mainly the size they are giving from you, that what is mainly the size of this course image, so you can follow it. And here is mainly the course intro. Sometimes, you know, if you're just going to enroll the course, you see at the first video, right, they're talking about something. This is mainly the video, so you can add here the URL. Here now we can just add here how many total length of this course you can do it, and maximum student enroll in there, and difficulty, all of this you can do here. And language you can set up here, what is mainly the language. Let's say I'm going to set up here English, so you can type here English. And next is have a course builder. It's mainly something like if I tell you that this course builder is something, let's say this is section 1. Let me type for you section 1. So I just add this curriculum, this is section 1. And if I create this section 2, then we'll get the section 2. Like by this way, inside of this section you can add more content. Let's say you can add one content. Let's say this is going to be a lesson, or if you like to start from the beginning, then simply click on this create new lesson button. Now let's say video 1, this is going to be video 1, and this can be more details, images if you like to add. Most of the cases you don't need it, but if it's the first image, then you can enable the image, I mean add the featured image in there. And this is preview lesson. If you like to keep them as a preview that people can see it, then you can do it. Here will be the visual source. It's have a few option, Vimeo, YouTube, external URL, embedded, and few more. So I think it's good enough to go ahead. And this is attachment. If you like to add anything with this lesson, then you can do it. It's going to be anything. It's going to be doc file, PDF, whatever you like to add, so that people can download it, then you can do it. And here is mainly the doc option. You can mainly just press / to get more options, but you can normally type here whatever you want. Okay, let's click on this, scroll down, let's add this lesson in there. As you can see, we just add here video 1. If you like to add more, just click on again here, and let's say video 2. And okay, so let's type video 2 in there, so then it will be video 2, and you can also do the customization in there. Okay, all right, so now let's save it. All right, so now it's added, and now I'm just going to cross it. And now if I'm just going to see here, okay, this is mainly content, so we need to add it. So let's select both of them. So whatever you're going to select it's going to be enabled into there. So right now, as you can see, I select this video, and now this video is available inside of it. So I think this is really cool piece here, you know, like if you really don't want it, then simply you can delete it. If you like to add any more, then you can simply add it from here. Just simply go there and you can add it, or you can just add the lesson from there. So this is really cool, I think. And this is mainly the instructor. If you like to add multiple instructor, you can add here a multiple instructor for this course. Let's say course name, let me start for course 1. So then you can make them paid also. So if you like to make them paid, you need to select a product from WooCommerce. So let's go here, WooCommerce, and you need to add here in a product to make them paid. So I will do it in later, and right now I'm going to keep it as a free, and then we can simply make them simply make them publish button. Okay, and also they are giving us an option that member option is turned off, so we need to turn on it. So let's click on this button. Then we need to go here setting, and we need to go general option, and let's simply enable it. And I think now it's enabled, so this is enabled right now. Let's go back, and now I hope you understand about this course. And you can also add here category, or when you're just publishing any course from the courses, you can also add the category. Let me show you that how we can do. If you scroll down, then you'll get this option called add the category. Also you can add here the tags. Tags is something like I already tell you, that's gonna people search in Google, or that's gonna people used to search in here. Let's say I'm going to make WordPress courses, so this is definitely need to be in WordPress, so that people can easily search it. I mean, people can easily find out the course. right? So I hope you understand about it. So here is all of this lesson that we just add here: video 1, video 2, video 3. So now we can simply add the new lesson from here. If you like to add a new lesson, then you can simply add it. Also, if you like to do customization inside of the video, then you can do it. That means you don't need to go any specific, specific section. By this lesson, you can search the lesson that you like to update in existing course, and you can simply search here and you can just change the content. This is really awesome. I personally like it, because right now, let's say I like to update a lesson there, so I need to go this course and find out the lesson, then just update it. It's really hassle. Lesson, it's make more easier. All right, so let's go here, this Q&A option that people can ask questions and you can reply them. Here is the instructor, not instructions. You can add a multiple instructor from here. You can just put their name, and this is student. You can also add student, like manual, you can add it, but if you like to give them manual enrollment, then I think you need to enable, I think you need to go with the pro. Let's go to this add-on, and here you can see a lot of add-ons they're like providing. It's have a few free, let's say migration tool, quizzes, multi-instructor. If you like to add multi-instructor, then you can enable it, or if you like to go with quizzes, then you can enable it. And here is the webhooks. So I think quizzes is more better. I think yeah, we can definitely enable it in our website so that we can ask people questions, what they understand about it, and they can give a reply. This is really interesting. Let's go here, webhook. Webhook, it's something like automated. You know about Zapier. If you don't know about Zapier, you don't need to understand about webhooks. But if you know about Zapier, then you can just about this webhook. Okay, now let's go here, this tools option. Then it's have a few more settings. Here, if you just click on this, then you get to see Academy LMS page. This page is generated by them. So as you can see here, this is the short course. You can see if you have them, and here is the export import, and here is mainly the setup widget. So one thing we totally forget about it, like we just need to do the setup widget before do anything. So what you can do, we can simply just click on start now, and then which is your individual or marketplace. So I'm individual, and what do you want? I want default. So this is something they're gonna set up it, and this is mainly for the instructor, allowing publishing course. So we don't really need that. Yeah, people can register, and here is mainly the WooCommerce and hide courses from the shop page. That means hide course. If you like to hide them from the from the shop page, then you can do it. Like the course product, hide course product from the shop page. Yeah, I really want it. Automatically complete order. If enable order will automatically complete. Definitely we can do it. Okay, now it looks fine. And let's click on this save button, finish button to set up it. So this is very simple, you see it. But right now we also know that like how we can customize it. So if you don't set up it, I mean if you don't use the setup widget, it's fine, no problem. Okay, let's go back. So I hope guys now you understand about Academy LMS basic, what is where. Now I think you get a more idea about that. And in the next we're gonna see how we can publish our new course.